Mark with Red Hawk Roofing. I'm at 3109 Lindsley Court in Conyers inspecting a 3-tab shingle that has reached the end of its lifespan, but it's also been through a pretty hefty windstorm and hail. And I just wanted to show you right here before we get started up there is down here in the gutter, you'll see these are the granules that are supposed to be on the gutter. We got a lot going on right there. But also, when we lift this up, the original builder used a 3-tab shingle turned upside down, which is the incorrect way to install the shingle. It should have an adhesive strip along the bottom here, but there's nothing there. And also, there's no drip edge, and that leaves a gap open right there that leads inside of the house. But also, I want to show you right up here, we've got a lot of nail pops or nail holes from where the previous installers used toe boards. You can see one here, one right down here. I don't know if you can see that. But we've also got some hail strikes and some wind on here, and I'm going to mainly go over the wind with you, but let's get up here and get moving toward the top. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Right here on this side, well, you can see right here they continued with a 3-tab from the starter. They used it for the ridge cap, and you can see this one's just torn and blown away, and it's starting to split and crack and wear out. And the 3-tab shingle is designed to lay out in the field like this. It's not designed to be a ridge cap. But also, we've got some missing shingles out there, and I can see 3 or 4 windblown shingles just right there. We've got a good wind zipper right here. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 right there. We've got a couple of missing shingles on this side, and then some more windblown shingles right out here. And then on the back, we've got some more windblown shingles and some more wind. And I think we've got plenty to argue about with Allstate. I don't know whether or not they'll take care of this, but we'll sure have plenty of ammo to give them a good fight. Right here, I wanted to show you this. And I bet what's happening is a little bit of rain is blowing in through here and running down and getting into the house. That's directly over where I believe you were having an issue of water getting in the house. Yeah, this roof definitely needs to be replaced. This is gonna wind up being a lot of headaches and a lot of money if we don't get it taken care of. So I'll be down to show you how we can help.